Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me running my Jtru design business on Etsy. I make party decorations and gifts for people. So hopefully you enjoy these type of videos. So in this video, you'll get to see me work through the week, making party decorations, designing cake toppers, packaging everything up and getting them sent out. So without further ado, let's begin. If you guys have enjoyed my video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below, as this will make my channel get noticed and also it's good for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you all so much guys, I really appreciate it. So I just received some parcels and I thought it'd be interesting to unbox it in front of you. So here goes. Gold ribbons for my banners. So this one should be some packaging tape that I ordered from another Etsy seller. I've been wanting to do my own packaging, but I don't know why I haven't got round to doing it yet. But it'll come, and once it does, I'll show you guys, obviously. Looks nicely packaged up. So this is what it looks like. I chose the pink with some gold dots on it. And I think it'd be nice to just package this with like my parcel boxes, you know. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to do some videos of me packaging with this tape, but I'd really like it. You know, you guys, I film quite a lot, and you know when you're moving tripods around all the time, I ordered myself one. I think this one's quite expensive, but I think it will last me quite a long time. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, this is like the tripod that I can put this camera on top, and it's quite flexible as well. So you guys can get the best footage. So I'm quite happy with my parcels today. So now I'm going to move on to designing some cake toppers. I had a few ideas in mind, so I'll just show you in a moment. So I've just roughly drawn out some of these ideas I have, and I will be designing them on Illustrator in a moment. Sometimes I just get these ideas from just browsing through Instagram and Pinterest or other Etsy sellers. I don't like to copy the exact design, but I take the inspiration and try to make it my own. You know, you can always use different fonts and add some patterns around it. Just put your own twist on it, you know, because you don't want your design to look exactly like someone else's and you want it to stand out. So now I'm going to show you how I illustrate these 3 designs. I know that sometimes you guys see me use Cricut to design my cake toppers, but majority of the times I prefer using Illustrator just so that I can manipulate the letters or the shapes that I'm using. Now that all 3 of these cake toppers are done, I will be using my mock-up to add the design on top. I do often get a lot of questions on how I do this, so if you guys would like me to do a video on this, then please let me know down below. And here is the end result. Let me know which one you guys prefer. I had a person who reached out to me and asked me where I got these thank you cards from. Basically, they are 5 by 5 inches cards and I get them in bulk. They come with white envelopes and I hand stamp those thank yous. So yeah, it does take me a long time and I have thought about printing them out sooner or later. But in the meantime, they are hand stamped, so yeah. So I designed this cake topper not that long ago and I already got my first sale, so I'm super pleased about that. What do you guys think of this one? So here you're going to see me work super fast. No, not really, but yeah, I filmed myself package all the items before I head to the post office, so hopefully you enjoy watching this very fast footage of me working. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do leave in the comments down below which one was your favourite cake topper that I designed this week. Was it Double Trouble, Twin Babies, or Well Done? Would love to know what you think. And also, before I go, I am currently on 226 listings for my Etsy shop at the moment. If you're following me on this journey, you will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Please do like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.